I'm Lee Darty. I'm the director of the Nurse Assisting Program here at Florence Darlington Technical College. Over the next few minutes, we're going to take you around and show you our Nurse Assisting Program and how we think we fundamentally changed the nurse assisting teaching here in Florence, South Carolina and the surrounding regions. You'll meet the technology, you'll meet the people, and you'll even see some of the products that we have. These students that have gone out into the area and really made a difference. We've had some great success stories. I hope you'll agree.
Florence Darlington Tech's Nurse Assisting Program is different because we're a curriculum-based program. We're 2 semesters. Our students can come in and they actually follow curriculum with classes they can actually carry forward into their future educational endeavors and into their future careers.
Nursing assistants are being trained to work in different areas in the healthcare setting. We have nursing assistants that work in radiology department. You may see a nursing assistant working in a doctor's office. In the acute care setting, you have nursing assistants. And of course, you have long-term care. But they get to work in different areas of the healthcare setting.
The typical student that we receive is non-typical. These students may be single mothers, they may be 18-year-olds just starting college, but they may also be folks who are changing jobs at the age of 30 and 40 years old, or they might be retired people and just want to make a change and be involved in healthcare.
For students who are considering a career in healthcare but perhaps need a bridge to get there, who perhaps were taking developmental courses, there's definitely a path through this program. There's success is built in to the program to support those needs and to help them be successful in this program and beyond.
I've been at McDonald's for 8 years. My goal was to get out of there, take classes that wouldn't take very long so I can go ahead and get into that field that I practically want to be in.
I feel like in this one you get much more hands-on experience. You get to use the simulation lab to learn your skills, and it's kind of like you're working almost with a real patient. You know, they have a pulse, they have a heart rate, they have everything, and they can even talk. It kind of prepares you for when you actually do go in a patient, because yes, it's different, but also you get that hands-on experience. You can feel their pulse, you can feel their heart rate, like you can count it, and there's different ways to change their heart rate, so you really get a feel for how it actually is with a real patient.
Classes, I feel like, were very easy for me to understand. I'm a hands-on person. I found out that I learned better studying with someone else.
We've been very fortunate at Florence Darlington Tech to assure that our students are earning at least 30% above minimum wage when they start out in this program. When we started this program originally, we were told these are minimum wage jobs, and we weren't satisfied with that because we felt our students were performing at a level much higher than what we saw coming out of other nurse assisting programs. We went to our healthcare partners and we worked with them to develop something that was unique to what they needed. And we've got some healthcare partners who are actually paying up to 50% more than minimum wage.
That is another thing that surprised me, is how well the students from this program did after graduating, because they make a lot more money than the typical nurse assistant. This program just has a lot of good things attached to it, and when they see that students are coming from this program, they realize how much hands-on experience they get and just how much clinical experience they get.
We spend a lot of time working with our students and a lot of time working with our healthcare partners. We're able to say with great pride that we currently have 100% offers for every student who have finished our nurse assisting program.
They pretty much helped me put out my resume, and they knew people that I can send my resume off, and even during interviews, they told me what to say, what to wear, be yourself. The advisors were they really cared.
Florence Darlington Tech's Nurse Assisting Program has had tremendous success sending our students on to further their education. We currently have students who have moved on to respiratory therapy, who have moved to radiology. They've also moved to surg tech, med assisting, phlebotomy. We also are very fortunate that some of our students have moved on to the nursing program. Some, even before they finish our program, have been accepted into the nursing program. Then there are those who have also even gone further than that and have also gone on to four-year colleges and universities and are pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
I think this is a great place for students to start if their goal is to become an RN, because you learn a lot of the basic skills that an RN also has to know in order to graduate and things like that, and kind of gives you a leg up on what to expect. And you also get clinical experience before even going into the RN program, so that's a really good thing.
The great thing about the program is if you are thinking about changing your life and changing direction into healthcare, then in 2 semesters that is completely possible. Through this program, there's guaranteed assistance in finding a job and being prepared for those job opportunities. There's guaranteed advisement through this program, and so if you're interested, if you are genuinely looking into healthcare and you need to make a change and you need to do it quickly, this program is definitely that option.